Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us this morning. We've got about 8 minutes on the clock.
It's free bird.
We'll wait for free bird. Yeah, we don't want to miss the open because a lot of.
Well, the stock market will wait for us. No?
Yeah, sure will. We've got a bunch of happy traders waiting to press a button, so
yeah.
we don't want to keep them waiting too long. But anyway, thank you everyone for joining us this morning. It's our great pleasure to welcome the company here this morning, the entire management team, colleagues, advisors, and my colleagues from the Exchange Group. This is an incredible achievement. We were here probably about 11 months ago doing this exact thing for the listing on Venture. And in a very short time, and this is not something we see very often, the company obviously has graduated to the TSX, so congratulations for that incredible milestone. It does reflect your rapid growth and the maturation of your business in a very short time, as well as your commitment to a strong balance sheet and focusing on shareholder value. This is a perfect case study in one of our listed companies that's used our world-class two-tier system to reach all their aspirations. Listing on Venture, quickly graduating to TSX, that's exactly the kind of thing that we want to do. That's what this platform is here for, and we're thrilled when we see examples like this one. And just so you know, you're in good company. Over the last 10 years, we've had more than 600 companies graduate from the TSX Venture to the TSX. So again, congratulations for that milestone. And thank you again for your business on the equity transfer side. So you're a client on the listing side. You're also now a client with our transfer agent. So I won't take too much more time. I just wanted to thank you for your business. Thank you for your continued support. And we hope that your TSX listing continues to accelerate all your future growth aspirations. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure, I'll say some words as well. So first of all, I fully agree. I think that not enough people appreciate the value of Canadian capital markets and the venture markets. We controlled a vehicle that we created with Dennis over there because we actually thought we were going to buy some mining assets during the last bubble. And it just sat there, and it was called Loma Vista Capital. And when we had this idea for BitGold, we actually just wanted to take it public for the transparency layer, because how are people going to trust us? And so we just thought going public, it wasn't a bank, so it didn't need a bank license. We just thought going public would be an interesting way for people to see our financials, have an independent board. But once we actually started sharing the story with Bay Street, there was a lot of interest, and we were able to access a lot of capital, more than we ever imagined. And as a result, we've been able to hire 50 people and create all this growth and investment here in Toronto and globally. So I think that anytime you need us to talk about, I think the TMX and the TSXV are amazing platforms, and not enough people give credit to what you guys do. So thank you for that. As far as GoldMoney is concerned, I just want to thank everyone. I know it's been a really hard year. We've worked really hard. I know our devs can feel it over there. I know the management team can feel it, especially our accounting and legal. I can't say enough kind words about Dennis Peterson. He's one of the most amazing lawyers on Bay Street. He's always in the office, 11 o'clock, 12 a.m. It's weekends, he's always working. And Warren, Katie Sokalsky, our CFO, I don't know where we'd be without her. Anna Badur from McCarthy Tetra, we would be nowhere without her, that's for damn sure. Our bankers at GMP and Claris, and of course, all of my partners, Josh and James Turk and Darrell, our CEO, and our investors. We have Al Friedberg over there who believed in us last year, made a big investment, and of course, some other very big investors that couldn't be with us today. So just thanks to all of you. I'll turn it to Josh now.
Yeah, as usual, Roy says it all, and I just gotta scramble here. But what we're doing is really having a global platform for creating a new technology for an old money, and there's from the corporate, the corporate governance and the capital markets, the understanding of gold, the understanding of resources, the very international focus of all the companies on the Toronto Stock Exchange. There's not a better place in the world to be from and build a team and be listed. We're very happy to be on the Toronto Stock Exchange. It's amazing.
I'd just like to say it's been only a year since I met this guy. My head is still spinning. It's just unbelievable, all of the things that he's made happen in the past 12 months. But when I first met him, I had complete confidence to pass the banner on to him and carry the GoldMoney Inc forward.
An honor. Thank you.
So I'm going to hand it over to Nick Vidani, our President and CEO of Global Equity Capital Markets, to lead us in a quick toast. And
I'm
then
going to be really fast
yeah.
because we got 2.5 minutes. I'll say a couple things. One, thank you. You know what? Your speech, your words, if I could have captured that in a video, I'd love to share that with a lot of our... Get that video.
Everything's live.
You know, in terms of your prompting about the TSX and TSX Venture platform, we're very, very pleased. One thing I will say, of the 600 plus companies that graduated from TSX Venture to senior market, a quarter of them are in the index. So let's make sure that you're one of those quarter, okay?
You're here.
Cheers to you all. Thanks for the invitation.
Cheers.
Congratulations.
Cheers.
All right, everyone, I need to interrupt.
17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12,